Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the shift knob on an automatic car. First, gather your essential tools like a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and possibly a small wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is safely in park and the engine is completely off before you begin. It's also a good idea to consult your car's owner's manual for any model-specific instructions or warnings. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's remove the old shift knob. Many automatic shift knobs are held in place by a variety of mechanisms. You might find small screws, retaining clips, or even a simple push-button release. Carefully examine the base of the knob and the surrounding console. If necessary, gently pry off any trim pieces using a plastic trim removal tool to avoid scratches. Once released, the knob usually twists counterclockwise or pulls straight up with firm, steady pressure. With the old knob removed, it's time to install your new one. First, carefully align the new shift knob with the shifter shaft, ensuring it's oriented correctly. Depending on the design, you will either push the new knob straight down or twist it clockwise until it seats firmly. If your new knob came with adapters, screws, or retaining clips, make sure to use them to secure it tightly. A secure fit is crucial for safe and reliable operation. Finally, perform a few crucial checks. Gently try to pull the new knob off to ensure it is securely attached and won't come loose during driving. Shift through all the gears, from park to low, to confirm smooth operation and proper engagement. Reinstall any trim pieces you removed, making sure they snap back into place securely. Now, you can enjoy your refreshed interior and the personalized feel of your new shift knob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.